Hi, to enter split screen on Xiaomi 13, we need to find our first app for the split screen view. So I'm gonna select YouTube. We just need to open this app and then go back to the home page. Now we need to open our recents. For that, if you got buttons like I do, you will need to tap the square button, or if you got gestures, so you got this line on the bottom, you will need to simply swipe up to the bottom and hold your finger. Let's open recents, and now we need to press and hold this app till we can see those icons appears on the screen. From these icons, select the second, which is for split screen view. You'll need to tap it, and after that, you can select the second app from recents, or you can tap here and select any app from your home page or from app drawer. For example, let's select Notes. And now we can use these two apps at the same time. So we can watch videos on YouTube and we can make notes at the same time, just like that. Also, you can see those three dots. We can tap them. And here we can reorder those apps by tapping this icon. So now the notes are on top and YouTube on the bottom. You can also reorder them again and tap this icon to make one app as a floating window. So here you can see some on-screen instructions how to use floating windows. We can drag it whenever we want across the screen by holding these lines, these three dots, and also we can resize the app if we just drag those corners like that. Now let's tap on the three dots and select the next icon, so we can open another list of notes, and now we can use those three windows at the same time. Let me close this one by tapping the cross, and now we got only two. So to exit split screen view, you can simply tap this first plain icon. So now you'll got only one app on the screen. And you can immediately delete it from recents as well. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.